Good Holy. I am Russell Nick Corisma Anchita. I am presenting my interested invention. I choose an invention that is international and most often contributed a lot to our life, to our society, and makes our life easier. My interest invention is an engine. Engine is a machine for converting any of various forms of energy into mechanical force and motion. A mechanism of objects that serve as energy source. Black holes may be the engines of quasars. The engine parts is piston, crankshaft, camshaft, connecting rod, cylinder head, piston ring, flywheel, spark plug, cylinder, sump, valve, cylinder block, crankcase, timing belt, inlet manifold, gudgeon pin, combustion chamber, fuel, rocker arm, gasket, exhaust gas, radiator, and poppet valve. What is the engine made? However, the main materials used for engine parts are the iron-based alloys such as structural steels, stainless steels, iron-based sintered metals, and cast iron and aluminum alloy, parts of the piston cylinder head, and cylinder block. There are two types of engine: the internal combustion engine and the external combustion engine. Internal combustion is like engine that consume gasoline engine and diesel engine. And external combustion is used a flame to heat water into steam, then using steam to turn a turbine. Thomas Savery, an English inventor who invented the first engine, is a steam engine. In 1876, Nicholas August Otto patented the first four-stroke engine in Germany. And in 1885, Gottlieb Daimler of Germany invented the prototype of modern gasoline engine. This is one of example of engine work.
Intake, compression, power, and exhaust. There are differences between the two engines due to the difference between the way fuels burn.
How does engine help our society? The development of internal combustion engine helped to free men from the hardest manual labor, made possible the airplane and other forms of transportation, and helped to revolutionize power generation.
The innovation was revolutionary and it kicked off a completely new tree of technology. While the idea of metalworking and boiling water with fire had been around since antiquity, and in the 16th and 17th centuries the understanding of vacuums and pistons had improved, Newcomen's idea of combining fire, steam, pistons, and vacuums in a cyclical engine to do continuous work was groundbreaking. The Watt steam engine, invented 60 years later, evolved in efficiency and became the real workhorse of the Industrial Revolution. But James Watt got his ideas while working on the Newcomen steam engine. In the 1800s, evolved designs of high-pressure steam engines powered boats and locomotives, and eventually steam was replaced with the internal combustion engine. But none of those engines would exist without the founding work of Thomas Newcomen. His ability to engineer and creatively combine the technologies around him changed the world forever.
That is my interested invention, an engine.